Apparently I'm not supposed to film. For the weekend, we're staying at the Beverly Hills Hotel, so we just arrived and our room is basically ready. They're just doing something and then we're going to be shown to it. Correct?
They said 15 minutes.
Sitting by the fireplace in the lobby, just waiting. I'm tired.
Better wake your ass up.
I dance like no one's gonna see, and I love like nobody can hurt me. You might think I'm a little strange, but I'm not gonna change. Oh no, sometimes I'm talking way too much, and sometimes I don't know how to turn up. You might think I'm a little strange.
Heads up, this video that I'm about to share with you was filmed in 2022. It is 2023, and if you found me for the carnivore diet, I am still eating that, but this video was filmed a few months ago. So you're gonna see me eating things in this video that I wouldn't typically eat right now. So we're being shown to our suite. I think we have like I'm not really sure what kind of room we got.
It's a bungalow suite. It's part of the presidential bungalow suite.
Okay, so it's a bungalow suite, part of the presidential suites. All of the plantings are gorgeous.
Might think I'm a little strange, but I'm not gonna change. For you, for you.
Are you guys making fun of me because I film everything?
Gotta watch out for security.
Oh, okay. I appreciate that. Apparently I'm not supposed to film. Hello. Hi.
Part of the presidential suite, which breaks up into 3 different categories.
Oh.
And this is the suite besides the actual presidential. This side of you, there's another patio bungalow.
For you, for you, for you. I'm not gonna change. For you. I sing like no one's gonna hear, 'cause my dreams are stronger than my fears. You might think I'm a little strange, but I'm not gonna change. No.
Yes, I love it.
Great.
I do. I like it a lot. It's very on brand. Like
Where's
meaning
our branding?
meaning the things that I like.
Oh, it's very Kim.
You're drained by insecurities, while I see possibilities.
Wait, so he was saying that I'm not allowed to film?
Can't film on property. What he said was security will stop you immediately, so watch out for them.
We know that I'm a covert filmer. I mean,
That's right.
I get my footage.
Many places.
Don't you guys worry. I'll get footage. I love all the lighting in the bathroom. So well lit. Oh, look at my hair. Lovely. Lots and lots of light. And there's like skylights. I mean, it's not a huge bathroom, but I feel like it's appointed really well. Definitely it's got that LA Beverly Hills kind of like glam vibe, which is really fun. And lots of mirrors. I mean, yay. Okay, so we have some things scheduled. We have the Polo Lounge in an hour, and then after that, I have a facial in the spa. So I'm gonna take a bath right now, and as I was filling it up, number one, it looks beautiful, but I wanted to look at all of these different like bath things they have. Fun, right? So we've got bath crystals. Definitely, we're gonna use that. Oh my gosh, how hot am I making it? Okay, it's gonna be good. Shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. So I'll just use this as bubble bath. We're gonna make a beautiful bath. I love how deep this bath is. Like, look at how deep it is. The water flow in filled so fast, so that was also awesome. I like the setup. I used the bath gel, and it smells really good. And they had bath crystals, like salts. So I'm happy and warm. Okay, so you ready? We're gonna go to the Polo Lounge. I'll take you with me. I'm gonna wear this scotch and soda dress tonight. Except that it got wrinkled, so that's not very fun.
Yes.
How's our bungalow? My hair looks a little wild. I was way lazy.
Caught you on a good day. I was doing fine, so fine. That was till she called me, telling me your lies, yeah. I give it all to you, wasn't enough for you. Baby, you're so cruel, guess it's no news. You would bring me heartache.
We're at the Polo Lounge and I got the tortilla soup and the wedge salad. So my tortilla soup just arrived. We were so eager to eat that I actually forgot to film the I'm a really good creator. But Jason didn't eat one of his 3 tacos and I kind of like chopped up my salad, so I'll just show it to you. But I got the wedge and he got the Chilean sea bass fish tacos. Oh, and this ginger ale is delicious. Like, really happy with this ginger ale. This is supposedly the Marilyn Monroe table, table 6. So we sat right next to it. This is the view out. And here is our table.
Killed it.
So now I have my facial, so I'm going to change into my robe and I'm going to run down to the spa. Is this it? Where are you taking me? I don't feel like you know where you're going.
Going the wrong way.
Oh,
See where we are.
I feel like we're just going into a hotel building.
Yeah, we went the wrong way. Hold on.
My husband is great at a lot of things, but directions are not his forte. He's much better at math. But you've been to this spa already, correct?
Go back to the Polo Lounge.
Oh, then where are you going? Why didn't you just say that to me? I would have taken us there.
I just walked right by it. I know.
Yeah.
Sorry, I got excited. I was just going. But it was your fault because
Why?
you had me explaining about the facial thing and why you're picking, and so I was distracted doing that.
Because
walked right
doing 2 things at one time is a difficult concept for some. All right, back over to the Polo Lounge area. So the spa is over here.
I think I took a wrong turn again.
What?
Just kidding.
Oh yeah.
I get 1 wrong turn per trip. That's the allotment.
Are you okay? So you want to commit to that you are not going to fail me now anymore on this trip?
No. A trip means a
Like
moment.
every time we leave?
This is a trip to the spa.
Oh, got it.
This trip from the spa home is another trip.
Got it. Look at this hallway. Did you come down here? Oh, it's like a salon. Oh, I like it. Oh, is this where you got a swimsuit?
Yeah.
Oh, did you get like the palm print? Is that on your swimsuit? Oh, that would have been.
black.
Oh, I would have liked that.
It's all black.
I see it. Ooh, that's a fun picture.
Is confidence.
I guess.
She's a diamond in the rough. Flip the coin and spin it.
Yes, come on in. Okay, I'm just on the table now.
She's a witch, she comes from where? Lives in a box made of snakes. It's her pets, they're the ones who care. And all the furniture is spinning. In the night when no one sees, turning the snow like figurines. She's spinning life, built on dreams. She's a diamond.
Oh my gosh, that was so nice. I haven't had a facial where it was just like super therapeutic and massage and hydrating in such a long time. And look at how beautiful my skin looks, and all the products that she used were so beautiful and smelled so yummy, and I just loved it. Turned out so nice. Okay, let me show you the locker bathroom area. It's really beautiful too. Come in, towels, little hair station, showers, little hygiene area, and then here are the lockers over here. So I just changed into my bathing suit. Jason's here. We're gonna go down to the pool, like spa area, and hang out for a little bit this evening. All right, let's go to the pool area. Like it. That's pretty up there. Ooh, look at this like arbor coming over. This is pretty.
I could even to dig mine. But you don't matter no more, and I'm not the heartless kind of type. My nemesis, you used to be my nemesis, but I ain't got the time to let you bring me down. I'm done with it, 'cause now I see the benefit. I'm saving so much time, no vengeance on my mind.
I'm like glowing red and pink because of the really cool Beverly Hills Hotel sign. So while I was in the facial, Jason came back and kind of cleaned up the room and got the fireplaces on and got it warmed up so that I wouldn't be cold, which is so nice. And now we're ordering dessert on the room service menu. So we're going to get bread pudding and the chocolate cake. And then I just got the silk pajamas that Beverly Hills Hotel has. Isn't this cool? I'm going to wear them tonight after my shower. You want to go to breakfast?
So hungry.
Okay, let's go get some breakfast.
Look beautiful this morning.
Oh, thank you. Okay, we're gonna go over to the Polo Lounge for breakfast this morning. We just got dressed. The sun's shining. It looks beautiful. Like, I have no voice. Look how pretty it is out tonight. Man, we really slept in. Do you have the key? So we are in bungalow 23B.
Reel me in to get it going, open me up. Sweet talking like you mean it, but you're making it so complicated. I f***ing hate it. Every time I get too close, you push me away. Don't wanna stick, telling me you don't want any obligations, and how you hate them. Don't call me just 'cause you're lonely. You know you're killing me slowly.
This is a 24 karat gold juice. It's orange, ginger, and carrot. So I got the steak and eggs, but because I don't like eggs, I actually had them do more vegetable. Thank you. And Jason got the Eggs Benedict Classic, right?
Yes.
That
Did
one
you
is.
get a side of bacon? 'Cause I got a
This
side of
this
bacon.
is our side of bacon.
We don't have an our side of bacon.
We always have an hour side of bacon. Following breakfast, we walked back down to the spa because Jason said, well, do you want to get a massage or something this morning? And I was like, So we're back down here. They're going to get me in really quickly. I'm going to do a 60-minute hot stone massage, and I'm actually not going to film it so that I can enjoy it, but I just wanted to like give you guys a heads up that I'm back. I'm going to have their spa massage, and I'm sure it's going to be really lovely, and I'm in their spa robe, which is super nice too. And I just loaded up the locker, and you're given a card key that locks your locker so that you can just like throw your stuff in, get into your spa robe and slippers, and then lock it up. If I know how to do it. I don't know if I know how to do it. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure that out. So I just finished that hot stone massage. It was utilizing the Himalayan salt stones. It's similar to the one that I had at the Palms in Las Vegas. And it was really nice and super therapeutic and just relaxing. And now I'm getting dressed and I'm gonna go see Jason outside.
Maybe I'm yours, maybe I'm not. I think about it way too much, and every single thought is making me.
All right, so I'm just getting ready, and I am packing for the airport because we do fly home. So this was just like a quick little trip together over here after the Amazon Creator Summit. But we just had room service deliver some lunch, and Jason had it set up out here on our outdoor area, so it looks really beautiful. So I got the tortilla soup again without cheese, and what is that? Those are our chicken wings, and is that blue cheese?
It's ranch.
Oh.
I didn't think about blue cheese. But the guy said these wings are his favorite thing on the whole menu.
Really?
That's what he said.
Okay, well, yum. Hey, you want to try one? I don't know what you think.
Okay.
Are they crunchy? You know, like they don't seem crunchy enough.
They're not, but they're really, really good.
Okay.
Yeah, except
Let's
for
see
the
what
crisp,
this-
they're really good. You don't need that. This is super salsa.
Really? Okay.
Wake up 2 p.m. I don't know where we are. Looks like a cheap motel with a
are just packing up now. Jason called the bellman, so he's coming over, and we just have our bags being packed up and put outside, and we're heading back to the LAX airport. So it's just been a really great, quick trip. I really enjoyed staying here. This was my first time ever coming to this hotel, and I really love like the room Jason set up for us because I really thought that the space and just like the accommodation was great. The pillows, the bedding, I loved it. The spa robes, like, yeah, all of the details were done really well, even down to the point where like their stationery and the business cards that you're left from the managers are super high end and thick, which I'm a paper snob. So I really appreciated those kinds of details too. But it's been a great trip, and I can't wait to return. Bye, bungalow. We'll be back. Yeah, next time we can use the pool. Yeah, one thing I couldn't film was the pool. I mean, I did get footage of it last night. I thought I was going to be able to film today down there. It was really beautiful, but there's like camera or signs everywhere saying no filming, no cameras.
We just weren't prepared to be sneaky enough.
I know.
Next time.
I should have just gotten there early. If I had gone down there early this morning, and next time I'll know. Ooh, the Polo Lounge is having some fun in there, I think.
Getting on the bus, I got resources with me. Riding on the highway, making plans that are free. Ringing on the doorbell to my girlfriend's house. Town is not even noon. I haven't met a stranger in a long, long time. Haven't kissed one either, but now is the time. 'Cause I'm a believer.